Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to find and join the old servers in Grow a Garden on Roblox using just your phone. So this tutorial is perfect if you are trying to rejoin a previous garden or find less crowded servers. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Also, before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here in this video are linked down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your Roblox mobile application and then log in into your account. Now, if you are using your Roblox app after a long time, you will see an upgrade option over here. So I would recommend you to simply upgrade your Roblox app to the latest version. If you are not able to find the upgrade option here in your app, you just have to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Roblox. Once you are able to find the Roblox app, simply tap on the update option if you see it over here. Then update your Roblox application to the latest version. Afterwards, you need to tap on the play option in order to come back in your Roblox app, just like so. Once you are here on this page, you will see Grow a Garden game here on the home page. But if you are not able to find it here, you can simply use the search bar in the top and search for Grow a Garden. So this game is getting really popular these days, so you will be able to find it very easily. Now you need to tap on its games icon and do not tap on this play button yet. We have the work here. So in the bottom left hand corner, you will see these three dots. So you need to simply tap on it. Now depending on the devices, these three dots can be in the right hand section, but in my device these are in the left hand section, so I'm just going to tap on it. Now here you need to tap on the servers option from the list, and this is going to open a page showing all of your current live servers available for this game. So you need to scroll through the list of all of the servers. You are basically looking for the ones that shows only 1 or 2 players out of 12. So these are usually the older servers that have been running for longer. So you can just simply tap on join on any of those to enter, and these are the best servers to find the older gardens and less competition for space. If the first low player server doesn't look like what you need, you can go back and try another one. Just exit the server, tap on the three dots again and open the servers. So the list refreshes every time, so new options may appear. You can repeat this process until you find the garden with the older structures or the plots that are less disturbed. Now if one of your Roblox friends is already in an older server, you can also join them directly. For that, you need to simply go to your friend's profile in the Roblox application, which you will be able to find by tapping on the search icon here in the top and searching for the name. Now once you search for your friend's name, you just have to tap on the join button right next to their profile, and then you need to simply just tap on it and you will be dropped into the same servers they are playing on, that is usually older and more built up. So this method works great when you are trying to play with someone or return to a familiar server. Now the bonus tips that I would like to give you here is that you need to keep on checking for the old servers easily. So tap on the heart icon on the games page to favorite it, and this will add it to your favorite tab, making it very easy for you to revisit and recheck the servers list every time you open Roblox. Now the bonus tip 2 here is sometimes Roblox lets you rejoin a recent server. So on the home tab, you need to simply just scroll down to continue playing, or you will also see the recently played option for. So you can tap on Grow a Garden again, and if the game server is still running, you might reconnect to it automatically, especially if you just left it. And that's how you find and join the old servers in Grow a Garden using only your phone. It is simple, fast, and works great when you are looking for open plots or returning to a previous build. So if this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tips. Comments below which game you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.